Hi lovelies, you're welcome back. This is Peggy Skincare. Welcome once again. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not already done that. Okay, so if you're a returning subscriber, I want you to please do not pass this video. I want you to share this video with your friends. Turn up your post notification bell. That way whenever I post any new video, you'll be the first to watch. Yes, so today it's been super long, and if you can scroll down, you see the last time I posted, it's been so hectic because your girl is pregnant again. So since I'm pregnant again, I want to share to you guys once again, for those having doubting what to use, the supplement to use while pregnant. Actually, this supplement is not just for pregnant mothers, or this supplement is not just for breastfeeding mothers. It's for everyone. If you're a girl, if you're a woman, a teenager from 14 years upward, if you're a man, you can take this supplement. It's actually very wonderful. It is safe. I love Satin Skinz products because it is so safe. As a spokesman of Satin Skinz, I'm bringing to you guys this wonderful product, one of their wonderful products so far. You know, I've actually not been talking more on this product for a very long time because your girl is pregnant. Let me show you guys. Yeah, once again. So the last time I made this video, okay, it's actually here. Okay, the last time I made this video was 2 years back. Yes, so when I showed you guys the first time I took Satin Skinz products while pregnant. Okay, these products for pregnant mothers, you have to take these supplements from your 3rd trimester. Do not take it from your 1st or 2nd trimester. From your 3rd trimester, you can start taking this product. It's actually very unique for every pregnant mom as well. Okay, if you're wondering, oh, which of the supplements can I use to make my skin stay so beautiful, to make me have this wonderful looking glowing skin from the inside out, this product is actually for you. And most of you are familiar with this product, Satin Skinz GLUTA tabs. Yes. I'm bringing to you guys this supplement once again. Okay, I'm on my 3rd trimester and I started using this supplement. Okay, so this is my 2nd pack. Please make sure you get original. It is very important that whatsoever you're consuming, it has to be original, most especially for pregnant mom and breastfeeding mom. Everyone, exactly, especially for everyone, you have to make sure you get the original. And for you to get the original, I'm your girl. Okay, you can get this original for me. Just check the screen, you see my contact. Okay, as a spokesman of Satin Skinz and also one of their distributors. Okay, be rest assured to get the original from me. So yeah, so this supplement is actually very wonderful. Okay, it's very safe. It gives you this glowing skin from inside out. And most of you asked me from the last video I posted you guys asked me, Peggy, what was the skincare product you're using that is giving you this glowing skin as well? I'm using my pregnant care set. Okay, I have a set for pregnant mothers. Okay, and also I'm also using this supplement. Like, wonderful, very super easy. Okay, so this is the pack. Please make sure you get the original, and then it has a scan code for you to check if it's original or not. So let me show you how it is. Most of you, you're so familiar with this supplement. It's not new. Like, in this channel, like, I talk about this product every time. It's one of the most this Satin Skinz product is actually very safe, like, for everyone. I've actually not really used a whole lot of supplements, but this is one of the supplements I've been using for years now, and I'll keep on using it. In fact, I was still using it till I got pregnant again. I had to stop because I got pregnant again. So I was using it while breastfeeding my baby. Excuse you. So let me show you how I take this supplement. Okay, a bit of demonstration on how I take this supplement. Super easy. So this is it. Please don't dip your fingers inside. So I put this back, the cotton wool back. I open this. Please do not put your fingers. So see? So you see, that is it. So I'm going to chew this. This supplement is actually very sweet, but there's no extra additive, like there's no sugar in it. It's just a flavor from fruits. Okay, it's with this is how it comes. Okay, then this is astaxanthin plus, and this is glutathione plus. It contains plus vitamin C as well. Super great for me that I'm pregnant. I take this in the morning and in the evening. If I want to take my normal routine drugs, I take my normal routine drugs in the morning, then I take this at night. Super easy. Okay, if you still want to stay with your pregnant, so if you still want to stay with your routine drugs, you can just take this at night and your routine drugs in the morning. Super simple and easy. I love you guys. Please, your girl is looking so beautiful. Am I not? Okay. Bye guys.